The first unit is force and motion, and it's about how energy causes things to start moving and why those things stop moving.
Okay, our next unit is about simple machines. One example is wheel and axle, which allows the vehicle or the bus that gets you to school every day. Then an inclined plane is what most of you would call a ramp that allows the wheel and axle to work much easier. And then here we have a lever. Some of you have been on seesaws before, but this lets you know, this is a new word you'll learn called fulcrum. Where you put the fulcrum allows a big weight to balance with a almost no weight. Simple machine. Then we have a pulley that allows less force to be used to pick up weight.
All right, our next unit of study is energy. We'll talk about lots of different types of energy, thermal energy, chemical energy, all these other types. And then we'll also talk about potential and kinetic energy. Right now, standing up here, I have a lot of potential energy, and when I jump off this table, that energy changes to kinetic energy.
The next unit is about cells and protists. So cells are going to be the things that we are made out of. They are living things, and they make up us, and we are living things. So the little organisms that make up us, the bigger organism. There are also little organisms that are single-celled creatures, and those are called protists, and we're going to learn about different kinds of those in this unit as well.
Our next unit of study is the human body. And when we study the human body, we'll study all the different systems, circulatory system, respiratory system, reproductive system, all the systems, and how they work together.
Okay. The next unit is heredity and genetics. Heredity is how traits are passed down from both of your parents, which is why both of my children are very tall, but they're also very beautiful because they're like my wife. Genetics is, we talk about where your genes are found in your body.
The last unit of the school year is going to be weather and the atmosphere. And so when you're looking at the sky, all of the sky that we can see is the bottom of the atmosphere called the troposphere. And at the top of the troposphere are clouds. And depending on the kind of clouds that you have, you're going to have different types of weather.
Welcome to 7th grade science. We hope you have a great year.